This is a tutorial on how admin can access ViMSCloud Portal for Standard Package, to set up organization profile, to manage user and access level, to register app, set up email template, manage visitor category, purpose of visit and meeting location, manage pre-appointment according to visitor category, view visitation summary on dashboard, and generate multiple type of reports. Let's begin. Once you received email from us, click on the URL link to open this login page. Enter the username and password provided in email to login. If you want to change your password, just click on your profile picture on top right corner. Then select Change Password. Key in your old and new password, then click Change button to confirm. If you want to configure your organization profile, mouse over to Administration on top panel, then click on Organization Setup. Here you will see your updated organization info. To edit, just click on Edit button on the right. Then you may begin to edit those information accordingly, example, organization name, contact detail, official address, or even upload a new profile picture. Once done, click on Save button. If you want to add, edit, or delete a user in your organization, mouse over to Administration on top panel, point to User Management, and click Manage User. By default, we had created some sample user for you to kickstart with. Just click on Search button to see which users had been created. To delete a user from the list, just click on the Delete button next to it. If you want to edit the user info, click on the Edit button next to it. Here, you may edit user's name, gender, email ID, contact number, or upload a photo. Once completed, click Save button. There are two ways to create or add a new user, either to add one by one, or upload in bulk using Excel file. To create one user at a time, you may click on Add button on top. Then key in the new member ID you want to create, followed by personal detail if applicable, such as name, gender, email address, and contact number. You may select the member type and category as staff or office staff for now. Upload a photo if needed. Then click Save button. If you would like to upload new user in bulk using Excel file, first click on the Upload button on the top. Then, click on Download User Data Sample. An Excel file will be auto-downloaded into your computer. Open it to create new user. In the Excel file, you may key in your desired member ID, name, member type, and other info similar to those required field in Portal. Once you are ready, save the Excel file and go back to Portal. Click on Upload User Data button, select the Excel file you had just edited, then click Open to begin upload. Once completed, your newly created user will be reflected in your user list. If you want to edit user role in your organization, mouse over to Administration on top panel, point to User Management, and click Manage User Role. Here, you will see user list with different role configured. Click Add button to add new user role. First, name the user role, example, Super Admin. Then, select which user are to be assigned for that role, followed by selecting which functions the user role can access, example, Create New User, and allow new app registration. Once done, click Save. To register a new app, mouse over to Visitor Management on top panel, point to App Registration, and click on the type of app you would like to register, such as Host App, Guard App, or Self-Registration App. For example, let's select Guard App. Here you can see a list of Guard app that had been registered. Click on Add button to register a new Guard app. Key in your desired device name, add description if any, and select who will be the users. Then, click Save. By default, the app activation QR code will be sent to user by email. You may also retrieve the QR code. Under the QR code field, just click on the QR icon. This is the unique app activation QR code for the specific device. You may choose to screenshot or send it again by email. This is the same registration process applies to all other app. There are many email template in ViMS that you can edit. Just mouse over to Visitor Management on top panel, point to Email Template Setup. and click on the type of email template you would like to edit. Let's click on Visitor Appointment. For example, let's select Contractor under Visitor category. Here shows the sample of email to be sent to visitor when appointment is confirmed. You may edit the email content according to your preference. Then, click Save. The same process applies to other email template. Now, let's try on Visitor Appointment Reject. Select the type of visitor under Visitor category that you would like to edit. Again, you may edit the email content accordingly and save it when done. For Visitor Management, kindly mouse over to Visitor Management on top panel, point to Setup, and click on either Visitor category, Purpose of Visit, or Meeting Location. For example, let's click on Visitor category. Here shows a list of visitor category that had been created, such as Contractor, Guest, Vendors and more. Click on Add button to create a new category. Key in desired category code and name. Example, Driver. Select permitted time, example, 3 hours. Then save it when done. Next, let's try on Purpose of Visit. A sample list of purpose is shown. Click Add button to add a new purpose of visit. For example, let's name the new purpose as Appointment. Then save it. The same process applies to manage meeting location as well. To manage pre-appointment according to visitor category, mouse over to Visitor Management on top panel, point to Visitor Appointment, and click on Appointment Settings. Here, you will see General Setting for Appointment, example, what info is required to create a pre-appointment. If you click on the tab, Appointment Fields, then, you can further refine the required self-registration info according to visitor category, such as email address, company name, contact number, vehicle number and more. You may also upload a video for safety briefing over here. Remember to save when done. When you log in, you will be landed on Dashboard. Here, you can have an overview of all the visitation, such as number of visitor per day, most frequently visited visitors, statistic based on visitor category, purpose of visit, and more. You can also mouse over to Visitor Management and select Visitor Live Monitoring to show the photo list of visitor who are currently checked in. If you would like to generate detailed report for investigation purpose, just mouse over to Visitor Management, point to Reports, and select any type of report you want from the list. For example, try select the in and out detail report. In this page, select the date and key in specific detail that you want to have in your report. Then click on Check button on top to generate the report. Here, system will display the report according to the info you had input just now. You may export this report in Excel or PDF format by clicking on the icon on the top. Or you can further filter the search result by clicking on Filter icon on the top. Let's try on another report from the list, example, Visitor Blacklist Report. If you had blacklisted a visitor, their name will be displayed here. If there's any visitor that you would like to remove from the blacklist, just select their name and click on the Release button. Feel free to explore more type of report from the list to see which one is best fits your requirement. This is a tutorial on how to download, activate, and use self-service app with tablet. Let's begin. Here's how you can download self-service app from Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store. Search by the name CALMS Versa. Click Install and wait until installation completed. Once installation completed, open the app to activate it. Select QR scanner icon on the left. Scan activation QR code provided by your administrator. For pre-appointment visitor to perform self-check-in, click on Appointment button. Here, pre-appointment visitor may self-check-in using their contact number, email, or by scanning their appointment ID and QR code. Let's try check-in using visitor appointment ID. Just click on Scan button. Then, visitor hold their appointment ID QR code to be scanned by tablet. Once scanned, system will show visitor's information. Visitor then click on Submit button to confirm check-in. Self-service app will then show visitor successfully checked in. Let's try again using visitor's contact number to check in. First, visitor key in their contact number and click on Get Appointment Detail. Then, system will show visitors information. Again, click on Submit button to confirm check-in. For walk-in visitor who would like to perform self-registration and check-in, first click on Walk-in button. Then, select which company or person they are visiting. Follow by key in personal detail, such as name, IC number, contact number, and select purpose of visit. Click on Submit button when done. Self-service app will then show visitor successfully registered and checked in. Thanks for joining this video tutorial. Have a nice day.